Hi everyone, it's Jeff Mitosu Crafts. Thank you for joining me today for the Global Stampin video hop with the theme of critters. So today I'll be creating a card featuring safari smiles. This does come in a bundle, but I've only got the stamp set. And I'm mixing that with the fern and flora dies. I have gone ahead and stamped the lines in Memento ink on normal basic white, and I'll be coloring that in Stampin' Blends. I'll be using Timid Tiger with a bit of a blending brush and early espresso as well. So we'll do some coloring quickly. I have done an online coloring masterclass with this, which is available as a membership subscription. So if you would like more in-depth coloring, then do check that out. But I'll be using the light and dark golden glow and SU 400 for the main. So as I said, it's just gonna be block coloring and fussy cut, or use the dies from the bundle. The one that I'll be using is from the masterclass, which is this one. So I've used more Stampin' Blends for the shading and highlights. So I have gone ahead and prepare my die cuts from the Fern and Flora in basic beige, the label die, and the ferns in basic black. I've got my card base in crumb cake, our usual dimension 21 by 14 or 8 1/4 by 5 1/2, folded in half. Basic black layer 1 and Vera Vanilla layer 2. So the layer 2 is 1 centimeter smaller than the card front, or 3/8 of an inch smaller than the card front, and the layer 1 is 3 millimeters bigger than layer 2, or that is 1/8 of an inch. So we'll have a nice border around. This golden glow cardstock has been punched with the 2 and 3, nope, not that one. 2 and 3/8 of an inch, which is this one. So we're just gonna add all these onto the card front. Before we do that, I will do some ink blending quickly with the Timid Tiger. Just on one side of it. More. And I'll be stamping the sentiment from Safari Smiles from all of us on the label die, which is gonna be using the early espresso. So we're just gonna construct a card, matte and layer, the bare vanilla on basic black, add that on the card front, So I'm going to add the punch circle on the top right, overlapping or with a bit of excess, so I say. And I'm just going to trim that off. And then prop up the lines. Before I do that, I'm going to add my ferns. And two. I'm actually going to add the lines onto the label die. And then that will be propped up with dimensionals. Big ones. Why not? Before we add that on, I'm just gonna add some splatters. So with Memento ink, you can either use re-inker or the actual pad. And any old brush or paintbrush or aqua painter. And then finish up with the lines. Oh, it's a bit wonky. I forgot to line up that line against the line of the label. But there we go, that is now done. And I thought for embellishment, you can use the Pearls of Beauty. It's got crumb cake or basic page on there. And we'll just do two on the right. One on the left. There we go. I hope you like this card using Safari Smiles for the Global Stampin' Video Hub with the theme of critters. Do check out the description below for the product links as well as the next video in the hub. Take care. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye.